Well, hello there, everybody. Welcome to our final week, week 8 of Leadership of Organizational Change. So this week is focused around the future of organizational development. So at this point, we have basically covered all of the steps that are required for planned change using the organizational development model. And so this week is really more about thinking about how impending changes in the future are really going to impact the nature of this particular approach to engaging in change management. And so one has to do just with the ways in which the complexity of change itself is going to be increasing in the future, given just the changing nature of organizations, the complexity of organizational designs is definitely going to impact the way that you work with organizations. As we've already sort of, I think, are having some clear indications of, is that, the changing demographics of the workforce, right? The globalization and the importance of paying attention to things like diversity and inclusion are also going to impact tremendously the way in which we do organizational development, even some of the ways in which we assess the effectiveness of these methods, and just the changing nature of work. As technology continues to evolve, so must our understanding of organizational development and change, but also even the methods that we use for every one of these steps that we talked about. Everything from the way that we engage in diagnosis and feeding back information, to the kind of interventions that we choose, to the methods that we use for institutionalizing and or sustaining the changes that we make. All of those things I think are definitely impacted by the ways in which technology is evolving. Okay, so this is our last week, so there is no case study. So the only things that you have to do is journal the lessons that you've learned from this particular chapter, and also, once again, be interested to see some of the artifacts that you find with respect to the future of OD. Okay, so you folks have a great week. Bye-bye.